Hello friends, today we are discuss William Shakespeare Sonnet 29 When in disgrace with fortune and men's eyes. I all alone beweep my outcast state and trouble deaf heaven with my bootless cries and look upon my and curse my fate, wishing me alike to one more rich in hope. Picture like him with friends' pods, desiring this man's art and that man's scope. With what I most enjoy, contain laced it in these thoughts myself, almost despising. Haply I think on thee, and then my state. Like to the lark at break of my arising from sullen earth. Sings hymns at heaven's gate, for thy sweet love remember such wealth brings, that then I scorn to change my state with kings. This is the sonnet about beloved. When in disgrace with fortune and men's eyes, I all alone beweep my outcast state, and trouble deaf heaven with my bootless cries, and look upon myself, and curse my fate, wishing me like to one more rich in hope. Future like him, with friends possess daring this man's art, and that man's scope with that most enjoy contained list. I scorn for thy sweet love remember such wealth brings that then I scorn to change my state with King Sonnet 29 of Shakespeare has a theme. Contain, Containment is a state of mind that brings about happiness to a beloved. The first quatrain starts by establishing the theme. In the second quatrain, he begins to list the qualities that he wished that he possessed. He wished that he has more hopeful, meaning that he had better prospect prospects, that he was someone who believes that things will eventually work themselves out. He wants to be more future like this one man that he saw. He also wants to be like another guy who have lots of friends. It's well like he wants this man's art and another's hope. He wants a like himself but change his mind when he saw how good other men were at various things, and out of envy he began to feel unsatisfied with himself. He in the third quadrant the mood shifts and he seems to become happy once again. He states that when he is also deep in his self loathing, the only thing that makes him is the thought of his beloved. Happily means by trained, but its use has a pun here on the happily. When in disgrace, feature fortune and men's eyes, I all alone beweep my outcast state. This is the sonnet about beloved. Beloved is the center figure in the sonnet. There are Shakespeare 154 sonnet. This number is the 29. When in disgrace with fortune and men's eyes. This is the sonnet about beloved. Deaf heaven, bootless cries, fate my curse. Like him with friends possess. Enjoy content least. In the last line, last quatrain, last For thy sweet love, remember such wealth brings that I scorn to change my state with kings. This is the sonnet about below, and it is a sonnet number of 29. Thank you.